up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I'm so excited. That's seriously my script every single time. I'm so excited. That's how I start it all. Makeup makes me excited. But yeah, I wanted to film in this beautiful lighting at my friend's house. I just had the idea to do this and I thought it would be really cute, and it has turned out super cute. I got a serious fierce wing, some glitter, all the works. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. We are here. I'm at my friend Luke's house pet sitting for him while he is at a Mariah Carey concert. Jealous. I'm jealous. I'm about to film a look that I'm extremely excited about. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. No, I don't know. So I've already primed my eyelid with ColourPop concealer and I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll get started. So I'm just in the mood to do red and blue. I decided that much. We're going to use the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette and also Juvia's Place possibly. I'm not quite sure if I want to use it yet. I'm not sure what color I'd use, but I know I want to do blue and red. I'm taking my shader brush. Take any shader brush that you want. Going into the deepest blue in the Modern Mattes palette, and we're going to start packing that in the crease. We're going to use a teal color instead next to the lightest blue so that that light blue can be our last color. Oh, this is cute. Alright, and I think that's cute enough for the last color. We're using that light blue. Is it going to show up or is it showing up? For some reason that light blue just does not work as the last color for me. I don't know what the deal is, but that's the second time I've tried to use that light blue as the gradient lightest color on my eyes and it just does not like me. I don't know why. I like it, but that color just does not like me. Alright, so I had to apply some concealer again because this stuff is tripping and this blue just likes to give me a hard time. Oh, what a hot mess. Okay, so I'm about to reapply the teal color really quick. Try not to mess up this blue because it's really trying to mess with me right now and I'm not going to take it. I'll be right back. Basically, what I want to do now is add a red liner, a red wing liner. So that's what we're going to do. As the lash glue dries, I'm going to put some glitter in the inner corner. So I'm just using this concealer as an eraser because I'm basically going to wipe off the concealer now. Because when it's still wet, it works as a really good eraser. Okay, so I'm just take a little synthetic brush into this, what is this? Wet n Wild glitter. See if our little lash is ready. I got glue all over the front of it. Oh yes. Okay, that is super cute. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'm gonna put on my face makeup and then we'll be back to finish up. So we have basically done everything, but I'm gonna touch up the liner just a little bit because, you know, it being colored, it just cracks really easily. We don't want to deal with that. I don't know why I keep looking at myself. Selfish. Guess I need to go over this lash with some black liner. Last thing is to do the under eye. And what should we do? I think I want to do like a smoked out, I don't know, red, blue. But I want to do black. I don't know why, I just thought of that in the very beginning and now I'm just gonna do it. So I'm taking a Morphe little smudge brush. Then I'm thinking to take a M507 brush And then maybe go in with the dark blue and see if we can maybe blend it out. I don't know how this is gonna look. I hope it's gonna be cute. One more time going into the black because you can't really tell on camera, but up close it's really kind of faded out. Did I just see a bug? I swear I did. Okay, then I'm gonna soak up some of this powder. Let's add some white to the lower lash line. Whew, looks crazy, but I love it. Ooh. Alright, you guys, and that is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If y'all have any questions about anything I did off camera, just let me know. I really had a lot of fun creating this look today, and I feel like it's so contrasting and it's so different. If you guys have any suggestions or anything y'all want to see, just let me know. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Kind of feel like a rock star.